TradingView Paper Trading Full Guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to use TradingView's paper trading feature, so you can test strategies with virtual money before ever risking real capital. Paper trading simulates trades without using real money, letting you place hypothetical orders and track market outcomes in real time. So you can test strategies and build trading discipline without risking real capital. Let's walk through how it actually works. Step 1. Open any chart on TradingView, then look at the bottom of your screen for the Trading Panel tab and click into it. Step 2. From the list of available brokers shown there, select Paper Trading by TradingView, then click Connect. Step 3. Once connected, TradingView may provide or let you configure a simulated starting balance, and this is one of the most useful parts of the whole feature. The paper trading module lets you reset your virtual balance to any figure, so you can size it to match your intended live trading capital. Step 4. To actually change that starting balance, open the trading panel at the bottom of the chart, click the gear icon for settings inside the paper trading panel area, look for the reset option, and adjust your desired balance from there. Step 5. Place your trades just like you would on a live account. The module mirrors live market data and order types, letting you place market, limit, and stop orders exactly as you would with real money. Step 6. Track everything as you go. The panel gives you access to your positions, orders, history, account history, and trading tabs, so you can follow exactly what's open, what's filled, and how your account balance is moving in real time. Step 7. Review your results after each session rather than just moving on. Checking your performance summary and win rate tabs after each session shows you what is and isn't actually working before you consider scaling up to real capital. Here's a pro tip. Paper trading is different from chart replay and backtesting, so don't confuse the three. Chart replay lets you review historical setups without waiting for live markets, while paper trading only simulates orders in real time as the market actually moves. So use chart replay for reviewing past setups, and paper trading specifically for rehearsing your execution and discipline in live conditions. One more thing worth remembering: paper trading builds habits and confidence, but it doesn't replicate real emotional pressure or slippage exactly the way live trading does. So treat strong paper trading results as a good sign, not a guarantee of the same outcome with real money on the line. So that's exactly how to use TradingView's paper trading feature to practice risk-free before going live. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading platform tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what market are you planning to practice on first?